Hey guys, for today's video, let's go to Dior. I want to buy a new blush on guys. So come and join me, let's go. So eto yung glow stick blush ng Dior guys. Palagi tong sold out. And finally, available na din yung shade na hinahanap ko guys. So let's try it on. So guys, try na natin guys. This is the rosewood. Yung pink guys, try natin yung pink. Bet ko yung pink, I think. Ito yung pink nila and ito yung rosewood. Diba? This is my dream blush. Dream blush. Ito yung pink blush, guys, sa kabila. And sa kabila naman, ito yung rosewood. So, I think mas bet ko yung pink, guys. Kasi feeling ko nakakabata siya. Diba? Baby lang. Charot. This is the price. It's 3,300 pesos, guys. Look at that. I love this gold packaging. So, eto na guys, nabili ko na. So, that's it. That's all for today's video. See you on my next one. Bye!